Hello and welcome to day 12 of learning Python from chatgpt. So let's get started. Please give me a lesson 12 of learning. My computer's quite low. Oh god, not responding. So yesterday we learned about sets, which was pretty cool, and like similar tuples and just arrays, basically like the whole like sequence. Lesson 12 of learning Python, day 12, with you acting as my private tutor. Let's go. Okay, all functions, we've already done this. Sorry, I have already been given this lesson. Please refer back to the original timetable to form your decisions on lessons. Okay. I've already been given this as well. No, I've been given this. Have I? No, I haven't. No edition. Yeah, I have. Yeah. I should have it in the text file soon. Nope. I'll say nope. Add this lesson already. Oh god, it's just going back to already had. However, I have not learned OP yet in Python. So, object-oriented programming. So, today's lesson will introduce you to basics of object-oriented programming in Python. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the concepts and classes and objects, understand the concepts of class, and how to create and use them. So, class is a blueprint, and an object is an instance. Great. So, class name, attribute. Oh, so the constructor, like we had in C++, pretty weird. Like double underscore init, double underscore. And we have a lot of self. It's like a bit like deducing this, like with all the C++ 20s, deducing this. Okay. So it's class dog, no, a class and then class name. Okay. And then to assign, we do self.name. Okay, not too hard. Oh, and it looks like you can just assign variables that are not there. Like, we haven't declared name anywhere. Okay, that's pretty cool actually. So, dog's name, yeah, okay. Methods, so def, just like a normal function, okay. Dog.speak. Oh, we can use inheritance as well. Nice, pretty nice. This is cool actually. So okay. Sample code. Let's create a class. Let's get started on day 12. Oops, wrong one. Oops, no, wrong. Okay. Let's get started. So day 12. I may look at some bugs. I've been on like a big expedition. Python file day 12. Let's go. So classes, think I understand the concept. It's just like when you pass in self, I think it means you can just like, it's a bit like reflection, I suppose, because you like, I don't know how to explain it, but let's just do the first lesson. Class, car, attributes, so make, what do we, is it in the, init that do we pass it in as constructors or what? Constructor parameters. Self, make, model, yeah. Okay, so now we can just do self.make equals make. I'm assuming it's like model equals model and self.yeah. I assume it will come out like that. And then we can do print, no, so we've got to do car1 equals car, print car1 dot make plus car1 dot model plus car1 dot yeah. And we need to pass some parameters. So we'll do Volkswagen. No, let's do Tesla. Oh yeah, we have so many of these car ones. X plus 2024. No, let's do Tesla's Cybertruck. But that's probably 2023 as well. So Cybertruck. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. And that will be, oops, wrong one again. So add a method called description returns. Okay, let's go into the PyCharm editor. So I'll do def description. So we'll do return. We'll do the F string. So we'll do this car is of type and the model is, and funnily enough this was made first launched in, okay, so add method age, so control Z, so def age, we'll do return 2024 minus int, yeah, just easier to print self is of type self dot make, and then we can do the model, which is self dot model, and then we can finally just do